the sun? Where are the moon and stars? Where is my Lord tonight? Hear the cry of my heart in this damp and dark. How many days, how many nights alone in this misery? I spoke the truth, now I'm suffering. Please, Lord, hear my plea. I know the sun is shining somewhere. I long to feel it warm and bright. I know the breeze is blowing out there, cool in the night. You are my life, though these chains do bind me. You are my life, though the darkness blinds me. You are my life through this long and lonely night. You are my life, yes, you are my life.